Welcome and welcome back to my channel, over here where you will learn how to make quick and easy desserts. So get your pen and paper ready as I show you how to make this quick and easy 4-ingredient creme brulee. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing we're going to do is warm up 4 cups of heavy whipping cream. Next, we're going to add 6 egg yolks, a half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix everything all together until it's well combined. Now we're going to add our heavy whipping cream into our egg mixture. Be careful to just add it very slowly so we do not cook the egg. Next, we're just going to strain our mixture just to make sure we get all the clumps out. Now we're going to fill our ramekins up just to this fill line. Now we're going to fill our pan halfway with some boiling hot water just so it can evenly cook. We have our oven set at 300 Fahrenheit and we're going to be baking this for about 35 minutes. Once it's out the oven, it should look something like this, and it should have like a little wiggle in the center. If it don't have a wiggle in the center, just stick it back in the oven for a little while. Now we're going to place our creme brulee into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, we're going to go ahead and put some granulated sugar on the top, and don't worry if it's not even at first. We're going to go ahead and spread this around. Now with our kitchen torch, we're going to go ahead and melt the sugar. Make sure we're doing it in circular motions so we don't burn the sugar. And I'm just going to go by fast with this so you guys can kind of get the idea of how you want to brown your sugar. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. So y'all, this is how it should look once you get done caramelizing the top, and as you guys can see, it got that crunch. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like videos like this, let me know down in the comments, and if you would like more content like this, please subscribe and join the family. Until the next video, you guys, peace. If you like content like this, go ahead and check out this video. If you like this video, I know you'll like this one. Check it out. In the meantime,